Welcome to the Splunk Offerings Baseline e-learning course, Module 2. Now, let's talk about Splunk's signature platform products. Splunk Cloud Platform and Splunk Enterprise are Splunk's platforms to turn data into doing. We position with Splunk or Splunk Cloud Platform SaaS offering first. Splunk Cloud as a hosted and managed solution for our customers. Splunk Cloud also includes compliant offerings to meet FedRAMP, IL5, and IRAP security standards, and helps federal agencies and their partners drive confident decisions and decisive actions at mission speeds. Splunk Enterprise remains the platform of choice for customers who are restricted from moving their data to the cloud. Splunk's platform is also flexible to run as hybrid between on-prem and cloud, helping customers through their cloud migration journey. The platform team also offers the Machine Learning Toolkit app, which is an extension to the platform for customers seeking to customize security and observability solutions through machine learning model application. So in summary, our core platform offerings are Splunk Cloud and Splunk Enterprise, the on-premise version of our product, as well as some helpful enhancements. Let's look at what you need to know to position these platform products effectively. The next wave of data challenges aren't going to resemble the ones we faced in the past, and neither are the technologies we'll need to face them. At Splunk, we are constantly evolving our technologies to prepare for this changing landscape. We've used our size and scale to build new product in-house. Buy new capabilities we know our customers will need via acquisition, and invest in an ecosystem of emerging data technology. Over the past few years, we've expanded our platform capabilities at a rapid pace. The scalable index that sits at our core has continued to anchor our platform, and we've been focused on making it easier to get data into that index. We've also launched a set of streaming capabilities with Data Stream Processor, bolstered by in-house development and acquisitions to allow customers to analyze and pushing streaming data to both Splunk and non-Splunk sources. Our bias for action means continued investment in automation and AI, bringing capabilities from acquisitions like SOAR to our entire portfolio. Our in-house development of Splunk Mobile and connected experiences, and offering machine learning functionality to all kinds of organizations. The platform overview will focus on how Splunk Cloud Platform and Splunk Enterprise capabilities turn customers' raw data into action, quickly. To set the stage, let's take a wider view of Splunk's SaaS offerings. The Splunk Cloud Platform is the foundation of the Splunk Cloud portfolio. Splunk Cloud Platform gives you the ability to act at the speed and scale of cloud to tackle critical use cases across your business, whether it's security, observability, or beyond. It is your secret weapon for successful cloud transformation, enabling you to tackle data sprawl in multi-cloud environments and move beyond the feasibility of human scale. Splunk Cloud offerings in security and observability are designed to take you even further on your data journey and are specifically built to solve your security or observability needs. Zooming in on the Splunk Cloud Platform, Splunk has a transformational set of differentiated capabilities, and we are excited to narrow in on innovations and enhancements to streaming, routing, and filtering data, federated search, analytics, visualization, and mobile capabilities, helping you to reimagine the ways users work and interact with data to solve cloud-scale problems. With everything we build at the platform layer, we are focusing on making it possible for you to customize a data solution to meet your unique challenges. If you can imagine a use case, you can build it. Today, we will cover enhanced self-service admin and developer superpowers just for this purpose. With expansive access to data, customizable experience, frequent update, workload-based pricing aligned to customer value, and access to ever-growing capabilities delivered through our expanding strategic partnerships with Amazon Web Services and Google Cloud, we are focusing on making available a data platform to allow you to thrive in a rapidly evolving hybrid world. Enhancements to the very architecture of Splunk Cloud Platform are being made possible to gain end-to-end visibility. Let's review the pieces involved. Machine data sources. We are always adding new data sources. Edge collectors. We are focused on making it easy to go collect and send data. Data onboarding, processing, and routing. These are always evolving tools for getting the right data to the right places in the right formats. Splunk Cloud Platform Analytics for logs, metrics, and traces. These are the core search, visualization, and reporting capabilities that let customers take action on their data. Search federation. For complex and hybrid customers, gain a view between your Splunk Cloud Platform and on-prem or BYOL deployments of Splunk. Splunk Cloud Platform is our flagship product. It is Splunk's core, fully managed SaaS offering, enabling customers to collect and consume, extract and index, search and analyze, alert and take action on machine data. To sell cloud effectively, each customer will need to be qualified based on their security and compliance needs, preferred retention periods, 90 days is the default, and expected support levels. We have a 100% uptime SLA. Connect with your cloud specialist team to understand which offering of Splunk Cloud Platform your customer will find the most value from. For workload pricing, Splunk decouples data storage, giving customers several options with their subscription plans. For ingest pricing, a fixed amount of data storage is made available with additional packages available. Access to Splunk Success plans is included with cloud subscription plans. Additionally, adoption services are included automatically for certain levels of purchase. See up-to-date amounts from your cloud selling team, with the level of adoption services increasing as workload or ingest capacity increases. Standard or premium support success plan SKU options are available when quoting. Subscription pricing for Splunk Cloud Platform is based primarily on workload consumed by use case measured in Splunk Virtual Compute, or SVC, starting in increments of 10 SVCs. Certain ingest-based subscriptions are available by daily data volumes in gigabytes indexed per day. Workload or ingest-based pricing plans come with competitive storage packages for differing data retention timelines. Customers can optionally add subscriptions for additional storage capacity to store more data, add an encryption service to maintain privacy of the data at rest, add HIPAA or PCI apps to assist them with meeting their compliance needs, and add new use cases for Splunk Cloud Platform with premium solutions such as Splunk Enterprise Security and Splunk IT Service Intelligence. Prior to Splunk Cloud Platform, Splunk Enterprise was our original flagship product. It is offered to customers as an on-premise installation in their own IT environments. With Splunk Enterprise, we offer two different kinds of licenses, term licenses and perpetual licenses. Let's look at the term license option. For term licenses, access to support plans are included with the subscription. Just like Splunk Cloud, customers with capacities of 500 gigabytes or more also receive inclusive adoption services, with the level of adoption services increasing as their capacity increases. Success plan options include standard or premium, with premium recommended for large or strategic customers. Splunk Enterprise term licenses are for year-long increments at a time, 1 year, 2 year, etc. Splunk is moving towards the term license as the preferred model. Splunk Enterprise is licensed according to the number of gigabytes a customer needs to index per day. With a term license, the customer will need to purchase a new license every year or every 2 or 3 years depending on what they purchased originally. If a term customer wants to upgrade, we usually keep the original expiration date. Infrastructure-based subscription pricing options are also available. We have transformed our pricing model to deliver a number of new pricing and adoption options that help you get the most out of Splunk. For the Splunk platform, Splunk Cloud Platform customers are recommended to select workload pricing measured in SVCs to access the most value from their investment in Splunk. For Splunk Enterprise, customers primarily pay with ingest pricing and can access a workload pricing tier at very high volumes measured in vCPU. Entity pricing is available within our wider observability offerings, available on top of the platform. Let's review some key takeaways about Splunk Platform products. Splunk Cloud Platform. Splunk Cloud Platform is our enterprise-level product, deployed and managed reliably as a service. Subscription pricing for Splunk Cloud is based on the volume of uncompressed data that the customer wants to index on a daily basis. Splunk Enterprise. Splunk Enterprise is for on-premises installations. Only term licensing is available, based primarily on the volume of uncompressed data that the customer wants to index on a daily basis. And workload pricing is available for large-scale customers, measured in vCPUs. That concludes this module. Thank you, and happy selling!